Hello, hey, hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so as you guys seen behind me, yes, we will be making this leather towel hanger for less than 10 ringgit. Yes, you can see that it is black because I painted it black, but you guys can choose any color you guys want. Or probably just leave it the natural wooden color. So let's start. First up, you'll be needing 2 of these wooden mop handles and also wooden sticks. This is 6 foot long and it's only 3 ringgit each. A measuring tape, sandpaper, power drill, screwdrivers and some screws. And this part right here is optional. I bought spray paint in flat black. You can choose any color you like. First up, take your wooden stick and measure 1 feet apart from each other and mark it using a pencil. After you have marked one of the sticks, it's time to match it with the other sticks. So put it side by side and just do what I did over here. And for the wooden mop handles, yes, this will be the hanger. I am measuring 1.5 feet each and I'm gonna cut them. And after I have cut them, I will be measuring 2 inches from each side and then I'm gonna mark it with a pencil. This is for us to drill it. And after it is done, it's time to drill holes. Take the sandpaper and now it's time to sand all of the wood. After everything has been sanded down, now it's time to screw them together through these holes and on top of the wooden stick that we have marked. And we are done. So you can leave this as it is or you can just spray paint it black like me. I'm using this one from Mr. DIY. Alright, so that's all from me for today's video. And if you guys love this kind of video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on so you will be notified every time I posted a brand new video. And also be sure to follow me on all of my social media, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, all the links down below. And yeah, I guess that is all from me today, so bye!